Hey everyone, so here's another quick one. Everybody knows that they could do a find and replace for words. So if you wanted to replace, say, dog with cat, you could find all the instances of dog and replace them with cat using that function. But something that a lot of folks don't realize you can do in Articulate Storyline is you can find and replace fonts. So here we have 4 different fonts, and what I want to do is you want to go up to your find and replace, but click on the little caret and select replace fonts. Now a drop down is going to come up and it's going to say replace these fonts, which are the ones that they've located in your project, and you can choose which font you want to replace them with. So if we want to replace them with, say, Arial, we're going to replace Arctic with Arial, we're going to replace Bebas New with Arial, Cottage Sans with Arial, Lato with Arial, and Open Sans with Arial. And you will see that all of your fonts are now the same font. So that's a really handy tip for if you inherit a project that, say, uses a lot of fonts and, I don't know, say one of them is using like Arial Rounded or Comic Sans and you just really can't handle that. You can very easily replace all of the fonts in an entire project using this method.